Hey, what's going on? It's Jonnie Grooms, and today I got a product review for you for head shaving purposes. I got two products that I've gotten. First up is a wood shave bowl made by my friend, Mr. Rob Acker. You can check him out on Instagram. I'll put in the link below. Really nice bowl. It's epoxy sealed, handmade. Very nice. For today's shave, I will be using Beard Brand's Old Money, and it fits perfectly in the shave bowl. So all I have to do is add some water, work up the lather, and I'm good to go. While that sits, I'm going to introduce you to another shave product that I picked up. I picked up the Everyman Jack razor. Everyman Jack now has razor handles. I picked this one up for about maybe, I think, $5 to $6 in Bed Bath & Beyond. And yeah, I want to check it out. I thought it was pretty interesting. So let me check it out. So far, Everyman Jack hasn't been a hit with me. Like when it comes to their, their beard oil, their beard butter, and their beard balm, and their beard wash. I'm not a fan. So I'm a little reluctant to try Everyman Jack products, but a razor's a razor, right? So hopefully this one works out. I do know that it is a 5-bladed razor, so I can't let the hair grow too long. 5-bladed razors, when your head hair is too long with 5-bladed razors, they tend to clog up really badly, and it takes a while to get all those little hairs and shaving cream out in between those little blades. That's why if you're gonna shave your head, I highly suggest using less blades. 3 is the max I would go when it comes to head shaving. There are the blades. As you can see, it has an aloe vera moisture strip on it. This is the handle. Pretty straight up, nothing really special here. Very grippy in the hands. This is not gonna slip. And it has a good hefty weight to it. It's not a little dinky razor handle. It is pretty solid. I mean, this is not gonna bend. It's pretty strong. It's got some heft, it's got some weight to it. There's the mechanism right here to release your blades. You see that pushes up and it releases your blades. And to get a blade in there, you just take the handle, slap it into the blade there, pull down, and it comes right out. And that's it all together right there. Angled neck, nothing moves other than the head of the razor here. That pivots like so. And there you go. The Everyman Jack razor handle. It's not a bad looking razor. I like the way it looks. That's really kind of caught my eye. Is its shape. It does feel good in the hands. I would like this to be more rounded, a little thicker, so it feels really good in the hands. But for shaving, like this, when you're holding it like this, to shave the head, this is nice. I would say for shaving the face, I would like a fatter handle. Just to get the ergonomics down with your hands, with your hand shape and all that. But for shaving the head, holding it like a pen or a pencil is gonna work nicely because of how thin it is. Very nice. I like this shape for head shaving. Okay, so now we got the razor out of the way. Let's prep my skull here with the necessary items. I'm going to be using Prosso's pre-shave cream, and then my shave soap, and then we'll get the head shave done and I'll give you my final thoughts. right, not a bad head shave at all. I'm actually really impressed. Usually with these razors, the razors get really clogged up. This didn't happen. Looking at it now, it really didn't clog up that much. I mean, there are a few specks in there, but then again, I didn't really go in with a really thick layer of shave soap this time. I went in with a thinner layer because with a razor with this many blades, it does clog up really heavily. I gotta say, it really didn't clog up that much. It rinsed out very nicely. Really good head shave. Yeah. The moisture strip is very slick. You know, it's very nice. Yeah, this performed very, very well. A lot better than the 6-bladed Schick razor I used before. Even though the Schick had skin guards on it, this got a lot closer and I didn't cut myself. It performed really well. I'm actually very impressed. So I would go ahead and give my recommendation for the Everyman Jack 6-bladed razor. I still do believe that less blades are better, so you're cutting less of your skin off. But if you are a fan of these multi-bladed razors, whether it be a 5-blade or a 6-blade, I would scoop this up, pick it up, and give it a try for yourself to see if you like it. I liked it. It did a really good job. Super close to the head. To slap on some aftershave, I'm going to be using Purasso Aftershave Balm. Really good aftershave balm. I really like the way my skin feels. It's nice and cool, nice and invigorating. Awesome head shave. I had a great head shave experience with these products today. I'm very happy with my custom shave bowl. This is where my Old Money bar of soap will live from now on. It will stay in here until it's gone. And it looks great. I really enjoy this look. I like the woodworking there. Very nice. That'll be it for today's head shave video. If you like the content of the video, like and subscribe. And as always, remember to take care of yourself and each other. Later.